Happy story time!
Magical life cycle of a pumpkin. Once upon a time, in a cozy barn nestled in a quiet meadow, there lived a barn owl named Alfred. Alfred was known throughout the animal kingdom for his wisdom and tales of the world beyond the barn. One cool morning, the barn animals were abuzz with excitement. They gathered around Alfred, their eyes wide with anticipation. Alfred was famous for his fascinating stories, and today he would tell a special one. The tale of the life cycle of a pumpkin. Friends, Alfred began, his hoots echoing through the barn. Today, I'll take you on a journey through the seasons, the growth, and the magic of a pumpkin. The animals leaned in closer, eager to hear the story. It all begins in spring, Alfred explained. Plant tiny pumpkin seeds in the soft, warm soil. These seeds, like little sleepers, start to stretch and yawn, pushing their way up through the earth. The animals imagine the little seeds waking up and stretching, just like they did each morning. Then, as the days grow longer, the sun shines brighter and the rain falls gently. Alfred continued. The pumpkin vines begin to climb and spread. They twist and turn like a race to touch the sky. The animals could feel the warmth of the sun on their feathers and the tickle of the vines as they reached out for the sky. Summer arrives, Alfred said, and the pumpkin flowers bloom. Bees and butterflies flutter, spreading sweet pollen from one flower to another, which is how the pumpkins grow big and strong. The animals pictured the vibrant orange flowers and the busy bees at work. But the best part, my friends, is when the pumpkins start to grow, Alfred added. They swell and change, getting rounder and rounder, like a pumpkin parade. The animals giggled, imagining a parade of plump pumpkins marching through the meadow. Then comes fall, Alfred continued. The air turns crisp and the leaves paint themselves in beautiful shades of red and gold. It's time to harvest the pumpkins. They are carefully plucked from the vines, ready to be turned into delicious pies, soups, and jack-o'-lanterns. The animals could almost smell the pumpkin pies baking in the oven. And so, Alfred concluded, the life cycle of a pumpkin is a story of growth, change, and delicious endings. Just like the pumpkins, we too go through different seasons in our lives. Each season is unique and brings its magic. The animals hooted and clucked in delight, their hearts warmed by Alfred's intriguing tale. They knew that similar to the pumpkin, they were a part of the beautiful cycle of life. As the sun set, the animals returned home, their hearts filled with the magic of the pumpkin's life cycle. And Alfred watched over them, knowing that in the barnyard there were always more stories to tell and more adventures to share. The end.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.